Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use RunwayML text to cartoon video Gen 4. So first thing is go to runwayml.com and make sure to sign in into your ad account. And now from here, you could just simply go to the left side and start a session over here. And now after that, first you have to create an image before you create a video. And you could just simply select this picture icon at the bottom left. And now from here, you will have styles and reference. So go for the styles and scroll down and you will have here 3D cartoon. So I'm going to create an image. So I put guy in the forest appreciating nature. And let's say I'm going to generate it. Just simply wait for some time. Now from here, we have a cartoon image. So let's say I like this one. So I'm just going to select download over here. And after that, go for the video over here and drop the image over here, or just simply select it. So now once you have select it on the video tab, you just simply describe your shot that you prefer. So my prompt is shot from the top and going to the bottom and make it cinematic. So guys, take note that the more specific your prompts are, the better the results. And now from here, you could adjust some aspect ratio and the duration as well. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and select generate once you are satisfied with everything, and just simply wait for it to be loaded up. Now once it is done, if you scroll down, as you can see, we could be able to play this video right here. And as you can see, it just follow our prompt that it is shot from the top and go into the bottom and make it cinematic. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.